Mechanical impedance is the ratio of A. RMS force to RMS velocity, B. RMS force to RMS displacement, C. RMS velocity to RMS displacement, D. None of the above. The correct answer is RMS force to RMS velocity. For the system in the given figure, the transfer function CSRS is AG1G21, BG1G21, CG1G2G21, DG1G2G11. The correct answer is G1G2G21. Whether a linear system is stable or unstable, that it A is a property of the system only, B depends on the input function only, C both A and B, D either A or B. The correct answer is a property of the system only. If a system is to follow arbitrary inputs accurately, the bandwidth should be A large, B small, C very small, D neither small nor large. The correct answer is large. For the system of the given figure, the damping ratio of closed-loop poles is A 1.5, B 1, C 0.5, D 0.25. The correct answer is 0.5. A stepper motor is A two-phase induction motor, B is a kind of rotating amplifier, C is an electromagnetic transducer used to convert an angular position of shaft into electrical signal, D is an electromechanical device which actuates a train of step angular movements in response to a train of input pulses on one-to-one basis. The correct answer is an electromechanical device which actuates a train of step angular movements in response to a train of input pulses on one-to-one basis. In the given figure, the input frequency is such that Rxc. Then, A V0 lags Vi by 45, B V0 lags Vi by 90, C V0 leads Vi by 45, D V0 leads Vi by 90. The correct answer is V0 lags Vi by 45. From the noise point of view, bandwidth should A be large, B not be too large, C should be as large as possible, D should be infinite. The correct answer is not be too large. First column elements of Routh's tabulation are 3, 5, 2. It means that there A is one root in left half S-plane, B are two roots in left half S-plane, C are two roots in right half S-plane, D is one root in right half S-plane. The correct answer is are two roots in right half S-plane. When a unit step voltage drives a lag network, the output A remains constant at unit step value, B increases exponentially from 0 to final value, C decreases exponentially from 1 to 0, D either B of C depending on values of R and C. The correct answer is increases exponentially from 0 to final value. A system has its two poles on the negative real axis and one pair of poles lies on J-axis. The system is A stable, B unstable, C limitedly stable, D either A or C. The correct answer is limitedly stable. In the given figure, the input frequency is such that Rxc then A V0 lags Vi by 90, B V0 leads Vi by 90, C V0 and Vi are in phase, D either B or C. The correct answer is V0 lags Vi by 90. In the given figure of potentiometer, V0 Vi are 0 Ri only when A RL0, B RL, C RL is neither low nor high, D RL is low but not 0. The correct answer is RL. Bellows converts A pressure difference into displacement, B pressure difference into voltage, C. Displacement into pressure difference. D. Either A or C. The correct answer is pressure difference into displacement. Consider the systems with following open-loop transfer functions. A 123, B 312, C 231, D 321. The correct answer is 231. The phase margin and damping ratio have no relation. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. For the transport lag GJEJT, the magnitude is always equal to A 0, B 1, C 10, D 0.5. The correct answer is 1. The log magnitude curve for a constant gain K is A horizontal straight line, B horizontal straight line of magnitude 20 log K decibels, C an inclined line having slope K, D an inclined line having slope K. The correct answer is horizontal straight line of magnitude 20 log K decibels. The compensator of the given figure is A lag compensator, B lead compensator, C lag lead compensator, D none of the above. The correct answer is lead compensator. A lag compensator is essentially A low pass filter, B high pass filter, C band pass filter, D either A or B. The correct answer is low pass filter. Stepper motors find applications in A. XY plotters, B. numerically controlled machining equipment, C. printers, D. all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. For type 2 system, the magnitude and phase angle of the term J2 in the denominator at 0 are respectively A 0 and 90, B 0 and 90, C infinity and 180, D infinity and 180. The correct answer is infinity and 180. In an integral controller, A. The output is proportional to input, B. The rate of change of output is proportional to input, C. The output is proportional to rate of change of input, D. none of the above. The correct answer is the rate of change of output is proportional to input. In Bode diagram, log magnitude plot, the factor in the transfer function gives a line having slope A 20 dB per octave, B 10 dB per octave, C 6 dB per octave, D 2 dB per octave. The correct answer is 6 dB per octave. In the given figure, the input is xt A centi. The steady state output yt A centi where tan 1 gj, B gj A centi gj, C gj A cent 2 t gj, D A gj centi gj. The correct answer is gj A centi gj. In the given figure, x6 A D E x1 B x2 C x3, B A B C x1 x2 x3 D E, C x1 B x2 C x3 D E, D A B C D E x1 x2 x3. The correct answer is D E x1 B x2 C x3. A negative feedback system has the closed loop system is stable for A K20, B 15 K19, C 8 K14, D K6. The correct answer is K6. For the control system in the given figure, the value of K for critical damping is A1, B 5.125, C 6.831, D 10. The correct answer is 5.125. Bode magnitude plot is drawn between A. magnitude of network function and B. dB magnitude and log, C. dB magnitude and D. log E magnitude and log. The correct answer is dB magnitude and log. In the given figure, if RXC voltage gain is A 0 dB, B 3 dB, C 3 dB, D 20 dB, the correct answer is 3 dB. The system in the given figure has A good gain and phase margin, B poor gain and phase margin, C good gain margin but poor phase margin, D poor gain margin but good phase margin. The correct answer is poor gain margin but good phase margin. The given figure shows a pole 0 diagram. The transfer function Gj1 is A 0.50, B 2.731, C 245, D 267.4. The correct answer is 0.50. For very low frequencies, V0 Vi in the given figure equals A1, B0, C, D 0.5. The correct answer is 1. In a minimum phase system, A all poles lie in the left half plane, B all zeros lie in the left half plane, C all poles lie in the right half plane, D all except one pole or zero lie in the left half plane. The correct answer is all zeros lie in the left half plane.